Hello students, let's read this question. 200 logs are stacked in the following manner. 20 logs in the bottom row, 19 in the next row and 18 in the row next to it, and so on. See in figure 5.5. In how many rows are 200 logs placed and how many logs are in the top row? So let's start the solution. So we can see that the number of logs in the form of AP, which is 20, 19, 18 and so on. So for the given AP, the first term will be 20. Similarly, the common difference will be A2 minus A1, which will be 19 minus 20, which will be minus 1. Let a total of 200 logs be placed in n rows. So that means Sn is equals to 200. So by the sum of n term formula, we can write Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Putting value here, we get, if we write S12, so S12 will be n by 2 into 2 into 20 plus n minus 1 into minus 1. As we know, S12 is 200. So 200 into 2 is equals to n into 40 plus 1 minus n. So this will be 400 is equals to 41n minus n square. So from this we can write n square minus 41n plus 400 is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation in n. So we can split the middle term as n square minus 16n minus 25n plus 400 equals to 0. So taking common n, this will be n minus 16. If we take common 25, this will be n minus 16 is equals to 0. So factors will be n minus 16 and n minus 25 is equals to 0. So n can be either 16 or n can be 25. So by the nth term formula, an is equals to a plus n minus 1d. So if we calculate a16, which is equals to 20 plus 16 minus 1 into minus 1. So a16 comes out to be 5. Similarly, we can calculate the 25th term, which is a25, which is equals to 20 plus 25 minus 1 into minus 1. So from here, 825 comes out to be minus 4. So we can say that it can be seen the number of logs in 16th row is 5, as the numbers cannot be negative. Therefore, we can say that 200 logs can be placed in 16 rows and the number of logs in the 16th row is 5. So we have calculated that how many rows are the 200 log placed, which will be 6, which will be 16th row, and how many logs are in the top row, which comes out to be 5. Hope you understand it well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.